Hello guys, we are here with another unboxing video. The Ronin SC, the Tamron 28 to 75, some cleaning tissues and also screen protector for my Sony A7 Mark III. Okay, we are going to start with the Ronin SC. Let's open this. Okay, it seems like it's in a box already. So, let me just get a knife. Okay guys, so finally we get this thing off. Okay, we got this off. So now we have the box. Let's see how this opens. I think the front is here. Let's see, DJI Ronin SC. So things like that and that. Okay. Whoa. Okay, it's the opposite. So that's what in the box. Let me show you a little bit closer. Okay, so let's check. We have here the Ronin SC disclaimer safety guide, so that's the booklet. Then we have a cable. I think it's for charging the Ronin SC. You guys see it? Okay. Then, okay, we're gonna take everything out one by one. I think this is for mounting your camera. Okay, just gonna put it here. I think this is the mounting plate for your camera. Can you see it? Okay, so we have this. Then this is the grip to hold your Ronin SC. It feels premium, nice. So then here we have the compromised. They are saying it's very good. The phone holder to hold your phone on top of your Ronin SC, so you can use your phone as a monitor. Looks very nice. Okay, that's it. Oh, then here we have the thing is also for mounting the camera, the mounting plate. Okay. Then this is, okay, I really don't know for what this is, but I guess it's also for mounting your camera. Then this is the promising tripod stand to make the time lapses. Okay, just gonna fold it together. Okay. Whoa, it feels nice. So you can just, okay, you see it? So you can put your Ronin SC everywhere you want, and you can just make a time lapse. Nice. Okay, just gonna put this away. So here we have the biggest thing in the box. Oh, you have the lock and the unlock button. You don't have that on the Ronin S, so that's nice. So you can store it away really easy. So you guys see it? The buttons. Looks nice. Okay, so that was the Ronin SC. We'll test it out later today. Looks very nice. It's also very attractive at this price to buy. So I'm gonna just put everything away and then we will unbox the Tamron. Okay. So, this the Ronin SC. What do we have here? The Tamron 28 to 75. Nice. Okay. So, let's open it. Ta-da! So first we have some booklets, like always. I'm just gonna lay them here. Then it's difficult packed. So how do you take it? Okay, so we need to get this out as once. So okay, here we have the lens. Nothing else in the box. I guess this was the only thing in the box. Okay. So here we have the lens. It's good packed in this package. So, whoa, feels like metal. Okay. That's the famous 28 to 75 Tamron 2.8 lens. Nice, guys, do you see it? Okay, so here we have the lens. Just here you see the mount. Yeah, it feels premium, it's good quality. And especially for this price, you can do wrong, eh? So let's put this here. So here we have cleaning tissues from Zeiss. Let me get the knife. Okay. There's also one here. Let's open this up. Whoa. So, it's a really strange box. So, okay, it's like that. So here we have the cleaning tissues. It's good for cleaning your camera. And just, yeah, you can use it always. So that's that. And then here we have still screen protector for my Sony A7, some tissues, so here's screen protector. Okay guys, I think that was all. I hope you enjoyed the video, the unboxing video. See you later. Peace.